Hey guys, I'm gonna show you a quick tip how to change your license plate light on your MDX 2012. All right guys, so in order to take out the light, you need to take this big cover off. There's a bunch of screws all over. There's a cover for the camera. You gotta take the cover off, take all the screws out. Like that, you gotta pop it from this side, pop it this way. There's a clip that holds it, and then you maneuver it out the way. And that's it. And to take out the light, there's two clips on each side of it. Just press the clips. There we go, the light comes out, and then now the bulb is in here. Oh, it's a little rusty. Once the light is on, actually before we put that on, let me check, make sure it works. Oh, let me go turn it on and check. Yep. Perfect. Stick it out again. It's pretty solid. All right, so like I say guys, from this side here, see this clip? That's where you need to try to pull it off with the panel removal tool. Then you should be able to just snap this thing back in. All right, and then next one. There we go. Take it out. Let's test this one as well. Yep. All right. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we can put this back on. Remember, these go under the light on each side. All right, now let's just put all the screws back. And don't forget this cover. Goes backward. Okay. Guys, all right guys, all done. Let me go turn on the light again so you could see. All right, looking beautiful. On to the next one. Thanks for watching.